Hi everybody, welcome back to On to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can change your name on YouTube. To do that, go ahead and open up your YouTube application. Once you open it, the user interface will appear somewhat like this, and go ahead and tap on you, which is appear on the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, you can see your profile or the channel, and go ahead and tap on manage account. Once you tap on it, you can see your channel settings. Right there is the pencil icon, which is represented as a edit. Go ahead and tap on it. Once it's done, you can just go ahead and change your name or your channel URL and many more, as you can see on my screen. So in here, in order to change our name, go ahead and tap on name, and once it's done, save the changes and you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.